Today we're going to look at the process of recording donations and contributions into Akubo and creating receipts and thank you letters for those donations. If you're only going to enter one or two donations, you can do the quick add method, and that is through the add a donation button right on the main page. We click that. Let's say we received a donation from Jack Smith, $50. Let's mark it paid. And we want to send him a receipt, so we put a check mark on this box to be sent receipt and thank you. And looking at the other fields, we have a payment method. We can put in a new payment method here. Let's do credit card. And category and account are optional, and so is campaign, but let's look at that. Let's see, let's put it under general, and of course you can create a new category as well if you wanted to. An account is generally used to designate the donation into a certain account. So let's put this under, I'll just say general account. And then campaign is good if you wanted to track the success of certain campaigns. So let's put this under, let's create a new campaign. I'm going to call it Winter 2011 campaign. And then under memo, we just put in donation. So I click submit. So now we've added a donation for Jack. Now notice that as soon as I hit submit and the page refreshes, you see that there's a reminder now to send receipt and thank you. And the button for create receipt and thank you appears. So let's add another donation. This time we're gonna search for a contact. That's the other way of adding a donation. So let's search for Anna. There's Anna, and let's click on her name, and there's a donations tab. Now if she'd had donations before, you'll see it listed here, but let's create a brand new donation for her. Let's say it's $100. Mark it as paid. Again, we want to send her a receipt, and this time the payment method is check. And we don't have to put in a category or an account or a campaign for this. And let's just mark it donation again. And click add. And click submit. Now on the main page, now you can see that the send receipt and thank you now has a number 2 beside it. So let's go ahead and create a receipt and thank you. You'll see that there's 2 receipts that are waiting to be created, one for Anne and one for Jack. So let's create the one for Jack. Now this is the standard receipt and thank you page. There's a header, which is you can edit it, and if you make any changes to it, as long as you have the save as default checkbox checked, it will remember the changes you made so that the next time you create a receipt, the header default that you saved will be put in automatically for you, and same with the footer as well. So let's go ahead and create a receipt and thank you. And now we have a receipt. We can view it in Microsoft Word. And that's how a receipt looks like. You can print it and mail it. And we can also email the receipt. So there's an email receipt and thank you button there, and we can again make changes to the email that's going out, and then we can click on send email.